Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay bills with PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course you need to go and download, if you want to download the application on the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have. And of course now you need to just go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the home, send, we have the wallet, activity and help, we have the send and request. And guys, now let's see how you can actually go and pay bills with PayPal. First of all, open the PayPal mobile app or log into your PayPal account. Then you need to go and navigate to the option which is called Bill Pay or Pay Bills section, where you can of course go and pay bills at. Now select the biller you want to pay and review the billing details, including the amount due, due date, and any additional information provided by the biller. Then what you need to do guys is go and choose the amount of your payment and select a funding source for your payment and choose your payment date and tap pay at the very end. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys!